Well, guys, we did break the side-by-side, but it's not as bad as we thought it would be. We only broke the muffler clamp, which I'll have to show you later because I'm in this truck gonna make the video. But I have to say, it survived 4 rednecks. Didn't it, babe? It survived 4 rednecks. Nothing really got broke. Just a muffler clamp came off, and that was my muffler, and just vibrated the screw loose. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for like, share, subscribing, and being with us through our adventures and our side-by-side fixing and everything that we do here on the channel. I want to make a mention, if you guys can go over and check out Redneck Ranch. I'll have a link to his channel in the description. Plus, I'll do a screenshot so you know what you're looking for. Go over and give him some subscribes. Check out his content. He's really funny. They're very laid-back people. Very awesome. We will be making a trip back here next July. So the only reason we didn't come for this July is because we're doing the ride. Seriously. So anyway, guys, get on over there and check out his channel. But for now, enjoy this video footage that I'm going to put together for you. I'm going to see what I can come up with here. God bless y'all.
You're gonna put me in water. No. Go ahead. I know, but I don't want to be put in water. Okay. Okay, that's fine. I don't want to be put in the water, that's all.
Get out before we get there.
Am I?
Yeah. Stand back here.
Back here?
Yep.
Hold on, I don't have much space.
Sit right here on this edge. Sit there. You got it?
Yeah, I'm good. Sorry. Okay. Oh my God.
This is what happens when rednecks want to go fishing, and rednecks got a boat, a trailer, beer, pit vipers, and side-by-sides. We go fishing. That's just the way it rolls. So you guys are going to enjoy watching us try and get it in the water to go have a good time like rednecks do. Eddie's boat won't run. Kyle didn't put no gas in it.
Gas is expensive now.
Can't afford it. Between all of us, we can only afford the beer.
We're like 5 of those this year.
Yeah.
What?
We had to use Laura's side-by-side because gas is so expensive. That thing sips it.
Where's that little thing?
Say hi, honey.
I'm working on that.
Hi.
She's all the way over there.
She didn't want to come hang out in the redneck boat.
She wanted to watch us all sink, probably.
Steve, it doesn't collect that much water back here.
It had a little bit in there, yeah, not bad.
That's just because we didn't empty it last time.
Well, we got the old 350 running. Don't mind that. That is a anchor. That's an electronic anchor right there. We got her going there, and we got the captain right there. You know.
Hey, don't call Dr. Seuss.
All aboard!
Don't
Wait a minute,
call
that's a
Dr.
train.
Seuss. We're not Dr. Seuss.
Hey, that thing works good, but that never start.
Bye, Mommy. See you later.
Now he did it. Now he did it. Motor fell off.
See what makes the motor fall off. Guess I'll get it a little tighter this time. Still going.
Hey, Eddie.
It had enough for us for we just
Eddie.
What?
Are we getting off on that island?
No.
Yeah, that's where you're gonna sleep tonight.
Yep. Well, you know, when you get a bunch of bright ideas together and you put them together, this is what you come up with.
Hey, throw your pole out over there.
I think these guys have caught more lily pads than they have any fish.
No, you can't have that one.
Then you got Mama Laura over there, is waiting on us to sink the boat or something. You never know with us.
No, it's pretty comical.
Chip ahoy, matey! Well, you know what's about to go down. This is what happens when you get a couple of bright ideas together. It's about to go down. We're gonna whistle and diesel this boat on the full send it gear.
You might want to move the hell out of there.
What happened?
The thing came on.
And just what in the world could go wrong here? What happens when you get rednecks with big brains? Something's gonna break. Take 3! Oh boy! Oh man! Well, you know, this was the 4th time we keep breaking it. Tomorrow we're gonna have to go big or go home.